little friends! Today we are going to talk about the holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a month during which Muslims fast. Fasting helps us to sympathize with those who don't have food and reminds us of God. During Ramadan, we also have a special event in the evenings called iftar, when the sun sets. Everyone gathers together and breaks their fast with delicious food. This time is very joyful because everyone prays together and gives thanks. Our beloved Prophet has said, "Fasting is a shield against the fire of hell." This means fasting acts like a strong shield that keeps us away from bad deeds. During Ramadan, from sunrise to sunset, people do not eat or drink anything. But why do they do this? Because God has said in the Quran, "O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting as it was decreed upon those before you, that you may become righteous." Another important night in Ramadan is Night of Qadr. On this night, the Quran was revealed to the Prophet, and worship on this night is very valuable. My dear friends, Ramadan is not just about not eating or drinking. It's an opportunity to be kinder, help more, pray more, and strive harder for our success. Oh, the call to prayer. Need to go break my fast. Until next time, goodbye.